S&P 500 Complete is your go-to for regular updates on all 500 stocks. Subscribe so you never miss out. Let's jump in. Welltower, ticker WELL, is a healthcare REIT that just crushed it with a 22% FFO growth in Q2, hiked their dividend by over 10%, and has a huge $9.5 billion liquidity cushion. Welltower stock might be one of the most undervalued plays in the REIT space right now. First, the demographic tsunami is unstoppable. The U.S. population over 65 is growing by 50% through 2030, and Welltower owns over 2,200 healthcare properties, perfectly positioned for this aging boom. Their senior housing operating segment just crushed it with 23.4% same-store NOI growth. That's absolutely massive for a REIT. Second, their Welltower Business System is a game changer. This proprietary tech platform is driving 330 basis points of margin expansion across their 8,000-plus sites. When you can optimize operations at that scale, it's basically printing money, and they're just getting started with the rollout. Third, they're deploying capital like absolute pros. $9.2 billion in acquisitions year-to-date, with 90% sourced off-market at deep discounts. They're buying quality assets while their competitors can't even access the deals. That's how you build a moat in real estate. Fourth, the balance sheet is fortress strong. Net debt to EBIT D A at 2.93 times, the lowest in company history. With investment-grade ratings from both S&P and Moody's, this gives them unlimited flexibility, while peers are struggling with financing costs. And here's the kicker: total same-store NOI growth hit 13.8% in Q2, with management raising guidance twice this year, when you've got 11 to 13% full-year NOI growth locked in, and analysts are upgrading left and right. That's momentum you want to own. Now, full transparency, there is one major concern that bears are rightfully worried about. Welltower is trading at 23.5 times forward FFO versus the REIT peer median of just 17.8 times. That's a 32% valuation premium. If we see any earnings miss or macro headwinds, this multiple could compress fast and take the stock down 20 to 30% in a hurry. So what do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Welltower stock? Want the complete bull and bear research reports with all the detailed data and price targets? Let us know in the comments.